tail is an American flag.
And your tray tables must be placed in their upright and locked positions. Once again, this is Alaska Airlines flight number 3409, operated by Skywest Airlines with service to San Jose. Welcome aboard. I want to welcome you on board your Alaska Airlines flight 3409, operated by Skywest Airlines with service to San Jose. My name is Amanda. I'm the voice in the back and up front. We have Danny. We both are here to make sure your flight is safe and comfortable. Please pause the use of electronic devices and direct your attention to the front as we review the safety features of this aircraft. There is a safety information card located in the seat back in front of you describing the safety features of this Embraer regional jet. Please follow along as we cover some very important information. There are 4 clearly marked exits on board, 2 forward doors and 2 aft doors. Please locate the exits nearest you. In some cases, they may be behind you. There are 2 strips of lighting on the aisle floor in a dark cabin. The strips mark the route to the exits. The cabin is pressurized for your comfort and safety. Should additional oxygen become necessary, oxygen masks will automatically fall from the panel above your head in the passenger cabin and overhead panel located in the lavatories. Remain seated, reach for the nearest mask, pull it down to start the flow of oxygen, and remove it from the clip and into the buckle. Adjust the strap to tighten or lengthen. To open, lift the top of the buckle and pull the belt free. Please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Infant life vests are located in a rear compartment identified with the placard. If you are traveling with an infant, instructions for the use of infant life vests are on that safety information card. Your seat cushion can be used for flotation. To use, remove the cushion, separate the red straps on the underside. Place your hands through the loops and hold the cushion to your chest. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is prohibited, as in tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. Federal law requires customers to comply with all crew member instructions, lighted signs, and posted placards. Federal law also prohibits customers from drinking their own alcohol while on board the aircraft. We do have a forward lavatory for customers seated in first class and a lavatory at the back of the aircraft for those seated in the main cabin. For security purposes, no line may be formed at the forward lavatory. For your safety, we ask that you use a lavatory in the cabin which you are seated. We will soon be cleared for takeoff. Please ensure that your seatbelt is fastened low and tight. Seat backs and tray tables are in their upright and locked positions, and all carrying items remain stowed. All electronics must be unplugged from seat power. Small handheld devices may be held or secured. Larger carry-on items, including those laptop computers, must be stowed completely underneath that seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. They may not be stowed in those seat pockets. If you do need any assistance throughout the flight, please don't hesitate to press that flight attendant call button located in the panel above you. We are happy to have you on board with us. We hope you enjoy your flight to San Jose. Thanks, welcome aboard.